अगर प्रीलिम्स बहुत प्रॉब्लम रहा है पहले एंड दिस इज द हर्डल व्हिच यू वांट टू ब्रीच थ्रू, ensure that you are the best prepared people there. Now, history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, international bodies, international mapping, जितनी भी चीजें चाहिए वो सब इस कोर्स का पार्ट है. For preliminary examination in GS, whatever you need, we will be doing it. Everything, anywhere which is needed for the examination, we will give you in classes, in notes. You focus on revising them, you focus on completing these tests. Ensure that you are in sync with this test. अगर आपको कोई भी doubt है how the coverage would be, last year I had uploaded all my economy lectures in March on YouTube. उसका PDF भी वहाँ पे है. आप वहाँ पे जाके देखिए and look at the questions which were asked in the examination. You'll be able to get that confidence कि हाँ, this was a very comprehensive program. Every week you have 450 questions का test. Every week you have 4 mini tests, but in sync with what? In sync with your classes. You feel like सर मेरा पूरा इकोनॉमी खत्म है, हम बोलते चलो आ जाओ एक दिन, एक लास्ट रिविजन फ्रॉम आवर साइड. व्हाट विल बी दैट? RTFQ, रिवाइज थ्रू 500 क्वेश्चंस. बताओ प्रिपरेशन में और कुछ चाहिए? और कुछ चाहिए वो भी करवा देंगे, बट डोंट बी haphazard, बी सिस्टमैटिक. गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. एक बार ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स लेट मी नो इफ आई एम ऑडिबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू. तो वेलकम टू द वेरी फर्स्ट क्लास ऑफ प्रीलिम्स मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम. जनरली मैं पर्सनली रिकमेंड करता हूँ बच्चों को कि प्रीलिम्स का प्रिपरेशन दिसंबर के बाद करना चाहिए. I recommend this, but since many of you are requesting, we have also launched this program. We also have an option of going into December batch or January batch. अगर आपका भी कुछ मेंस का चल रहा हो and you are still focusing on mains, you should do the December batch or the January batch. You should not do ये वाला batch. आप बोलोगे पहली क्लास में मना कर रहे हो करने को. नहीं, this is a bit early to start for preliminary examination, but अगर प्रीलिम्स बहुत प्रॉब्लम रहा है पहले and this is the hurdle which you want to breach through, ensure that you are the best prepared people there. Now, today I'll be starting with economy, but before that, in 15 minutes I'll explain what this entire program is, because we have done some changes here when compared to what we were doing last year. Means some additions only, कुछ भी remove नहीं किया है, only things have been added. So briefly, let me just give you an idea about what this program would be, how it would be structured, and how it will ensure that you are amongst the best prepared people for preliminary examination. देखिए, the first thing that we are having in this program is comprehensive classes. Over the next 3 months, we'll take around 70 classes covering everything which is needed for your preliminary examination. History, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, international bodies, international mapping. जितनी भी चीजें चाहिए वो सब इस कोर्स का पार्ट है. For preliminary examination in GS, whatever you need, we will be doing it. Now, how do we know whether these classes are good enough or not? We verify it by PYQs. We'll make sure that with every topic, जैसे you must have got the first booklet today. Did you get the printed material? No? रोहित देखना. तो you will get the first booklet today. At the end of that, what do we have? We have all the PYQs of the last 20 years. So, other than doing classes comprehensively, we'll ensure that each and every PYQ is discussed in the class only, so that we are confident कि यार preparation अपना सही direction में है. Then we देखो, this is where we'll revise all our concepts. Then this year we have also introduced, so I'll give you the background of this. In the past, in the last year, I saw that my students were facing this issue. They had joined a daily 50 question solving program somewhere and they were doing classes here, क्योंकि सबसे अच्छी classes यहीं पे होती हैं. तो प्रीलिम्स की प्रिपरेशन बच्चे यहाँ से कर रहे थे एंड दे वर डूइंग दैट डेली 50 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने का प्रोग्राम, सो दैट इट विल कीप देम लाइक इट विल गिव देम अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. बट देयर वाज अ प्रॉब्लम देयर. प्रॉब्लम क्या? इन क्लास दे वर स्टडीइंग समथिंग एल्स. दैट प्रोग्राम हैड सम अदर शेड्यूल. तो क्लास में साइंस चल रहा है, वो रात भर बैठ के पॉलिटी पढ़ रहे हैं, अगले दिन सुबह 7 बजे उठ के पॉलिटी का टेस्ट दे रहे हैं. दिस वाज डिजास्ट्रस फॉर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स. Some students came to me. I suggested them not to do that because it would be very problematic. But Then I realized कि यार वैसे प्रोग्राम की जिसको जरूरत पड़े, why doesn't it become part of PMP only? And this time we have done that. So every week you have 450 questions का test. Every week you have 4 mini tests, but in sync with what? In sync with your classes. जैसे वैसे it's on Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday, Saturday. You'll have 450 questions के mini test on Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. But this week we'll start on Wednesday. थोड़ा पढ़ लेना, Monday, Tuesday को पढ़ लेंगे. तो this week you'll have 4 tests: Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Wednesday, Thursday किस चीज का होगा? Wednesday, Thursday it will be about economy. Thursday, Friday it will be about Friday, Saturday it will be about polity. We'll go like that. In fact, if I go to the course page, यहाँ website पर एक second दे दीजिए मुझे. I'll give you the entire schedule of the test. Level up. Courses में prelims courses, prelims masters program. If I go here, you will be able to get the entire schedule. Just say PMP 1.0, you will be able to get the entire schedule with syllabus and everything. You would see Wednesday से आपके test है. Wednesday and Thursday you have test on economy, where we are covering fundamental of macroeconomics, national income, GDP and related issue in the first class. This will be done by Tuesday. तो Monday, Tuesday में हो जाएगा. Wednesday को 50 क्वेश्चन का इसका टेस्ट होगा. And then on Wednesday will also be done by inflation. तो उस पोर्शन का टेस्ट है. तो every day 50 क्वेश्चन, वो 4 days a week you have it. तो please do not join it anywhere और फिर वो haphazard हो जाओ. वो नहीं करना. You have the detailed schedule given. We'll make sure class में हम आगे ही रहेंगे इस टेस्ट से, so that you would be done with your studies and then you will be solving these questions. I hope you understand this. Okay. So all of you can download this schedule, can follow this schedule. It will help you revise things systematically. So let me come back here. So we're doing classes. In every class we'll discuss PYQs. Then we'll have 50 tests of also 4 into total 50 tests, 4 tests a week. So other than solving PYQs, you will also do this over the next 3 months. As part of your course only, this will keep doing. But this is not all of it, everything. Starting January, you will also have 20 full-length tests of our test series every Sunday. That is, अपना prelims test series जो है, Level Up IAS का जो prelims test series है, and we will keep it in sync with this course, so that जो आप पढ़ चुके हो वही टेस्ट में आ रहा हो. जो सब्जेक्ट अभी आपने कवर नहीं किया, that is not part of, so that you are attempting test, but you are not doing it randomly. You are doing it very systematically. Okay, so you will be solving 2500 questions here. इस पे आपको रैंक भी मिलेगा, सब होगा, आपको आंसर की मिलेगा, मॉडल आंसर मिलेगा, सब मिल रहा होगा. इट्स नॉट कि मजाक में टेस्ट ले रहे हैं. दीज आर सीरियस क्वेश्चंस. देन यू विल सॉल्व अराउंड 2000 क्वेश्चंस. अराउंड क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? 2020 टेस्ट में 2000 क्वेश्चंस हियर. यू विल सॉल्व अराउंड 1500 क्वेश्चंस हियर इन PYQ. By this mechanism, by the end of February, March, ये सारे टेस्ट करके you will feel like preparation पूरा हो गया. We have classes, we have comprehensive notes. We'll ensure कि आपको जो problem रहा in your preparation, you may have faced problems in the past. You have to refer to many sources. Economy के लिए आप कभी ये कभी वो ऐसे उठा रहे होते हो. Our policy is different. We say एक source होना चाहिए, थोड़ा बड़ा हो. We'll make students revise that multiple time, but there should be only one source. So for the 4 subjects that I'll teach you, economy, science, environment, international bodies and mapping, इन चारों के लिए आप कोई और source refer नहीं करोगे. Everything, anywhere which is needed for the examination, we will give you in classes, in notes. You focus on revising them, you focus on completing these tests. Ensure that you are in sync with this test. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है हाउ द कवरेज वुड बी, लास्ट ईयर आई हैड अपलोडेड ऑल माय इकोनॉमी लेक्चर्स इन मार्च ऑन यूट्यूब, उसका पीडीएफ भी वहां पे है, आप वहां पे जाके देखिए एंड लुक एट द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच वर आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन. यू विल बी एबल टू गेट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि हाँ दिस वाज अ वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव प्रोग्राम. ओके, तो सिमिलरली व्हेन इट विल कम टू एंशिएंट मिडिवल कल्चर, बिकॉज एंशिएंट मिडिवल कल्चर के लिए कोई और अच्छा सोर्स होता नहीं है, निखिल सर इंश्योर्स दैट the notes that he'll provide will be comprehensive enough. You will not need to refer to anything else. Your question would be, sir, NCERTs are very important, we should be doing it. Yes, you should be doing it, but वो तब करो ना जब after doing your classes you go through NCERT and find something in there which we have not covered. If everything which is given there, which is relevant for the examination, if we have it in the notes only, what is the point of having multiple sources and not being able to revise anything? Are we getting it? तो for these 5 subjects आपको कुछ टच करने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिर से बता रहा हूं मैं, इकोनॉमी, साइंस, एनवायरमेंट, इंटरनेशनल बॉडीज एंड इंटरनेशनल मैपिंग एंड एंशिएंट मिडिवल कल्चर. पॉलिटी के लिए विल प्रोवाइड यू नोट्स, बट नो लक्ष्मीकांत पूरा कवर नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज लक्ष्मीकांत इज अ ह्यूज बुक. तो वहां पे फॉर रेफरेंस कीप लक्ष्मीकांत विद यू. ऐसे ही फॉर मॉडर्न इंडिया विल प्रोवाइड यू नोट्स विच आर कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव, विच विल कवर एवरी पीवाईक्यू. बट देखो हिस्ट्री ना ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है देयर यू शुड नो स्टोरीज other than knowing fact. What will we be teaching you? We'll be teaching you fact which will be relevant for the examination. So for modern India I'll recommend you एक सतीश चंद्रा वाला book या बिपिन चंद्रा वाला book या फिर NCERT, old NCERT which was there, keep that with you and read it once. Just read it once, do not have to cover it. For these 2 subjects, polity and modern India. For rest we'll ensure that everything you will not have to touch, you will not have to refer to any other source. Are you getting this full program? Classes, PYQs, we'll have 50-minute tests so that you do not have to run behind other courses. Every day you are solving 50 every 4 days you are solving 50 questions, and then January से तो Sunday को भी 100 questions का test होगा. तो January से you won't even you will be attempting 5 tests a week. Now in this process what may happen, sometimes it may get very overwhelming. If you may start feeling कि यार ज्यादा हो रहा है, रुक दो ये टेस्ट करना, बाद में कर लेना. पॉइंट है क्लास, पीवाईक्यू रिवीजन इतना अच्छे से करते रहो. Why have we included this? We have included this so that for those of you who become very random, who become very haphazard by joining multiple courses, you don't do that. I would prefer all of you are coming here at 1 in the afternoon rather than coming at 2. Come at 1, attempt 50 questions in 50 minutes before we start classes. From January we'll give you 2 slots. एक सुबह 8 बजे से 9 बजे तक का भी स्लॉट दे देंगे और 1 से 2 का भी स्लॉट दे देंगे. In whichever slot you would want to attempt. अभी I'm giving only 1 slot because class 2 बजे से है. तो if you come just before that, it will save you time. That's why we are providing you 1 slot, but at that time 2 slots would be available. You will be able to do everything which is there. Are we getting it? Now, इसके बाद देखो, here are we covering current affairs? तो yes, we are covering current affairs within these classes only. जैसे I'm teaching you economy. Over the next 1 month, there will be around 10-12 classes of economy. I'll make sure that whatever topic I cover, I'll be covering its current affairs. In the same way when I come to science and tech, I'll make sure that I'll be covering current affairs. But see, your course is, जैसे economy की classes I won't get after 15 December. After 15 December, if economy updates have to be there, you'll have to do it. Or we have a CA update वाला component भी. When you took admission, you may have got a component where by paying a small amount more, we take your entire responsibility of doing everything. Then you won't even have to refer to any other source for current affairs. आपको उसमें भी, and we'll make sure that your current affairs updates will be in sync with your classes. That is, class में जो हो गया है, वो दोबारा से notes में होने की जरूरत नहीं है ना. तो only those updates would be there which will be needed by you. So generally I recommend students to take PMP with CA updates, but some of you may not have taken. उसके लिए आपको फिर once the course is over, once a teacher's lecture is over, you'll have to make sure that for next 3-4 months you'll have to keep updating it with current affairs. Are we getting it? तो इससे your entire preparation, can you think of anything else जो आपको preparation में करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी? You're doing classes, comprehensively covering everything, doing PYQ, doing 4 tests in a week, 50 questions के बाद में full length test भी कर रहे हो आप, जो हमारा prelims test series that is part of this program. Everything that you will need for your preparation would be done. आप 80-90% भी cover करोगे ना, you will be way ahead of everyone. Just try to follow it systematically. But we feel this isn't enough. By end of March, you will feel like, हाँ अब सब हो गया. मेरी classes, my classes are also done. My PYQs are also done. I have written a lot of 50 mini tests. I have written 20 tests. We'll call you again. We'll say, let's revise everything with the help of 500 questions. So for we conduct what is known as RTFQ. In RTFQ, what we'll do, we will for every subject solve 500 questions live with you. Purpose, आपने सब पढ़ लिया ना, अब आपको लग रहा है ना, confident हो. Let's revise everything again with 500 questions each. So I'll come and discuss 500 questions of economy for you. Nikhil sir will come and discuss 500 questions for ancient medieval culture for you. Vishal sir will discuss 500 questions for modern for you. I'll again come and discuss 500 questions for science tech. इस बार हम मॉडल थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट रखेंगे. I want to cover all 500 question in one day. हम 10-12 घंटे लगातार मैराथन सेशंस में we will cover those 500 questions so that you feel like सर मेरा पूरा इकोनॉमी खत्म है, हम बोलते चलो आ जाओ एक दिन. एक लास्ट रिवीजन फ्रॉम आवर साइड. What will be that? RTFQ. Revise through 500 questions. बताओ प्रिपरेशन में और कुछ चाहिए? और कुछ चाहिए वो भी करवा देंगे. But don't be haphazard. Be systematic. Systematic का मतलब क्या है? एक एक स्टेप पे एक एक चीज करते जाओ. Anything which would be needed would be taken care of. जैसे budget economic survey of India, as when it comes in current affairs, we'll keep updating that. If you are part of current affairs component also, your prelims का entire preparation including current affairs would be our responsibility. क्या हम सब comfortable है इसमें? Do we get complete idea of what would be there in the program? Any doubts you people have or any doubts that online students may be having? Please let me know. But will the weekly test doesn't expire? No, beta. Objective test you can attempt any time on the portal. No, you will not be able to come here and attempt because some other test may be scheduled. But if you miss some test on the portal, you will be able to attempt objective tests. When will we start current affairs component? Current, as I said, we will keep doing. आज भी मैं आपको जो पढ़ा रहा हूँ, you will see I have updated it with every current affairs related to national income. Base year change होने की news है. We are talking about that. Middle income trap में वाले topic में Russia is no more a middle income country. We are talking about that. अभी इंडिया का latest GDP numbers क्या है जो इस year release हुए? We are talking about that. So we are continuing to do currents right now, but when will the current affairs component update section start? Right after this is over. So this course is going to get over around February 15, February 20. उसके एक week बाद every Saturday Sunday we will start taking small updates on. उस टाइम आपकी 6 क्लासेस नहीं होंगी, बस सैटरडे संडे 2-3 घंटे की क्लासेस which will keep updating anything else that you will be needing for examination. When will CSAT start? Beta, CSAT for you people will start in January. Okay, let me know if I have missed any other question. Okay, will I be covering science, tech, environment, current affairs? I told you. देखो, मेरी December 15 से January 5 के बीच में I have 9 days allocated for science, tech and 9 days have been allocated for geography. उन 9 days में मैं जितना science, tech पढ़ाऊंगा, it will be updated with all the current affairs till December. अब मैं जनवरी का करंट अफेयर्स दिसंबर में तो अपडेट नहीं कर सकता ना. इट विल बी अपडेटेड विद ऑल द करंट अफेयर्स टिल दिसंबर. व्हेन आई कम टू टीच यू स्पेस, सारे रॉकेट लॉन्चेस सब कुछ एक दिन पहले तक का विल बी कवर्ड. उस दिन सुबह तक का विल बी कवर्ड. आई प्रोवाइड यू notes 1 hour before because I keep on updating it till the last. तो उस दिन सुबह तक का it will be covered. But once your classes are over by January 5, all my 9 classes on science tech would be over. उसके बाद I don't get classes on science tech in this course. तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसके बाद अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो you may have to come in the current affairs component, or you don't even need that क्योंकि आपके fundamentals clear हो जाएंगे. Even by reading newspapers you can keep updating it. You can take that call if you want कि sir you take our responsibility of current affairs also. I'll take it. If you think कि नहीं you will be able to do it, you do it. ओके, एक बच्चा पूछा सर व्हाट टाइम टेबल टू फॉलो. देखो अभी द रफ टाइम टेबल दैट यू शुड बी फॉलोइंग इज दिस. we'll have classes till 7 in the evening. Go home, rest. हो सके तो सोने से पहले 2 घंटे बस रिवाइज कर लो whatever you have studied in the whole day. Just 2 hours of revision. Whatever you have studied in the classes, just revise it for 2 hours. Next, आपको 1 बजे आके अगले दिन टेस्ट देना है. What do you do from morning till 1? I would prefer you keep on preparing for your mains examination. Either optional or GS, you keep on doing that. If you keep doing well in your tests, जो आपके टेस्ट हो रहे हैं उसमें you keep doing comfortably, keep on preparing for your mains. Do not stop your mains preparation right now because अभी आप सिलेक्शन लेने के लिए आए हैं यहाँ पे, ना कि किसके लिए, प्रीलिम्स क्लियर करने के लिए. तो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू कंटिन्यू इफ यू कीप डूइंग वेल इन द टेस्ट. इफ यू कम आउट ऑफ द टेस्ट एंड फील लाइक हाँ मैंने पढ़ भी लिया, मुझे समझ में भी आ गया, मैंने रिवाइज भी किया है एंड मैं टेस्ट में भी कंफर्टेबली कर पाया हूं, लेट मी कीप डूइंग माय मेंस प्रिपरेशन. I'll recommend you this. So if you'll ask me for a timetable, so go home by perhaps by 8 PM you will be home, rest a bit, dinner थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करना, 10 बजे से 12 बजे तक क्या कर लो, रिवाइज कर लो. Whatever you have done in class, revising it won't be very difficult. It would be easy. Revise it. After that, what do? Sleep. सुबह 6-7 बजे उठो, sleep for 6-7 hours. And then whatever your schedule is, थोड़ा सा वॉक करना, थोड़ा फ्रेश होना, but till 12-12:30 what do? You focus on your mains preparation only. 1 बजे आ जाओ, अपना टेस्ट लिखो यहाँ पे, देखो क्या परफॉर्मेंस है. इफ यू कीप डूइंग वेल here in the morning half, do not focus on PMP or prelims, focus on mains. अगर टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं जा रहा है and you feel कि you need to, your basics are very weak and you're not able to do very well, then even in the morning hours or just before test, I would suggest you to go through your notes, revise your notes and do well in the test. But if you are someone who's comfortable, who's doing good in the test, I would vehemently suggest you कि keep preparing for mains examination. Mains को skip नहीं करना है, अभी से इतना गैप नहीं चाहिए. इनफैक्ट जो बच्चे टेस्ट में अच्छा करते रहते हैं, मैं तो उनको जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च में भी मेंस पढ़ते रहने को बोलता हूँ. Because eventually our rank will be decided by mains, not by these things. Not preliminary examination में बस कट ऑफ से ऊपर मार्क्स लाने. We'll make sure that आप अगर ईमानदारी से काम करते हो, you will get way above cut off. But here getting a lot of marks will not serve a lot of purpose. Eventually it's mains. So keep on focusing on mains examination. Are we getting this? So do we have complete idea about what are we going to do in this program? है ना? Please do not join any random program anywhere else. It's takes care of everything. दूसरी चीज, one last thing before I start the class. All of you will ask me कि sir should we start attempting test of other institutions? So yes, you should do that, but not immediately. Not immediately means February 15 तक ना don't give test of other institutions. February 15 तक try to finish this. Once your course is over, you're like हाँ preparation हो गया, सबके टेस्ट देना शुरू कर दो. सबके टेस्ट without compromising on our own test. देखो, your tests, your tests at Level Up IAS have been designed in such a manner that will make you revise the same notes again and again 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. That is the key. आप एक ही चीज को 10 बार रिवाइज करोगे, सिलेक्शन के चांसेस ज्यादा रहेंगे. तो without compromising our test, if you want to give other tests, you should do that. But अपने टेस्ट के शेड्यूल को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करोगे. आपको लग रहा है कि हाँ मैंने साइंस पढ़ ली, अपने टेस्ट भी दे दिए, फिर भी आई हैव टाइम ऑन संडे, some institution is taking open test, let me register for it, let me give a open test, definitely कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना. But not compromising on, not disturbing our schedule. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि अपना टेस्ट दिया नहीं जा रहा, 10 और टेस्ट के पीछे भाग रहे हो, रिवाइज कुछ हो नहीं रहा, सिस्टम में कुछ चल नहीं रहा. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. Are we getting this? Okay. Okay. Now, for those students who will be watching the class online, sir, at least PDF एक दिन पहले मिल जाए. बेटा PDF तो मैं 1 घंटे पहले ही दूंगा, because I'll keep updating it till 12 noon. If I'm teaching you, देखो, in my subjects, I won't be able to give you PDF beforehand. मैं सुबह के न्यूज़पेपर में भी कुछ आया होगा, जो पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पढ़ा रहा हूँ, I'll update that कि आपको 12 बजे दोपहर तक के सारे करंट अफेयर्स, उस दिन के सुबह के न्यूज़पेपर तक के सारे करंट अफेयर्स से अपडेटेड वो मिले. I keep doing that. मेरे लिए it would be easy कि मैं आपको एक दिन पहले ही notes दे दूं, कोई problem नहीं है. But then I'll have to do a lot of updates. class में बताना पड़े आज ये आया वो आया. I don't want to do that. Is it necessary to read newspapers? Yes, it is necessary to read newspapers. Spend 40-45 minutes every day on newspaper. No matter what someone tells you, 40 to 45 minutes हर रोज न्यूज़पेपर को देना है. देखो कई बार ना कुछ भी आ रहा होता है न्यूज़ एग्जाम में, और कई बार वो न्यूज़ जो एग्जाम के लिए रिलेवेंट नहीं है उसके बारे में भी हमें पता होना चाहिए. हेडलाइन कंट्री में चल क्या रहा है, पॉलिटिक्स में भी क्या चल रहा है, फर्स्ट फेज पे जो भी है आपको पता होना चाहिए. यू शुड फ्लिप थ्रू द न्यूज़पेपर. जो सिलेबस का पार्ट है उसे तो ध्यान से पढ़ो, बट बाकी भी फ्लिप करना चाहिए. स्पेंड 45 मिनट्स ऑन न्यूज़पेपर्स एवरी डे. You may not need to make notes if you're part of current affairs. I'll make sure that you have relevant notes, but you should be covering newspapers. You should be spending 40-45 minutes on newspaper. It may be because when you are traveling, it may be at any other time. If you don't have any time at all, worst case के साथ मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, एक ऑल इंडिया रेडियो का न्यूज एट 9 आता है 9 PM पे रात में. देन इट इज ऑन द पोर्टल फॉर 24 आवर्स. आप उस हर रोज का न्यूज एट 9 और 15 मिनट्स ईयरफोन लगाओ और सुन लो राइट बिफोर यू स्लीप. और सुबह सुबह वॉशरूम में बैठे हो, ईयरफोन लगाओ और वो न्यूज एट 9 सुन लो, सो दैट यू नो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन इन द वर्ल्ड. एग्जाम के लिए व्हाट इज नीडेड वी विल कवर इट, बट समटाइम्स when you in news hear कि सूडान में ये प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, and in mapping when we'll come to Sudan, you'll have some context कि why Sudan is being discussed. When some governor issue is going on, when in current affairs will come and discuss कि ये these challenges हैं, you'll have some context, and that is why you should be doing that. Okay. So will our test be evaluated in offline mode? हाँ बेटा, all your test will be held on OMRs. It will be taken. उस पे रैंक आएगी, सब कुछ होगा. These tests are not बस पार्ट टाइम आपको वैसे ही दे दिया है, प्रॉपर इसका evaluation होगा. You will get your ranks, everything. Fine. None of these things are informal. All these things are formally part of the course. Like sir, this is the crash course. I have prepared every subject still. Some subjects are left like science, tech and environment. Are these subjects covered from basic here? Yes. देखो, let me start with today's class. I'll give you an idea what I'm talking about.